The word plumbing comes from the Latin word plumbum. Most people drive by a foundation and see dirt, trenches, and a bunch of white pipes. Construction people see the beginning of the house's circulatory system, and today was plumbing day. Before a single yard of concrete is poured, every drain, every vent, every cleanout, every toilet flange, every shower drain, every sink, every future water connection has to be placed with precision. There is no close enough when it's about to disappear under inches of concrete. And this is one of those days that separate building a house from simply assembling one. Hey, a little bit of history. The word plumbing comes from the Latin word plumbum, meaning lead. More than 2,000 years ago, Roman engineers built an incredible water system using lead pipes, gravity-fed, and aqueducts. They understood was if the infrastructure was right, everything above it worked better. Today, we've traded Plumbum for PVC, lightweight, durable, corrosion resistant, and designed to serve houses for decades. It won't rust. Its smooth interior helps wastewater flow efficiently. And when installed correctly, it provides dependable service for generations. So we've gone from Plumbum to PVC. Now that's progress. Today we'd like to recognize the crew from Plumaholics, Marble Falls, Texas. What they're doing today is the work most homeowners will never see again. Every fitting has purpose. Every connection must be aligned. Every pipe needs the proper slope so gravity can do its job. Every vent allows the drainage system to breathe. Every location must match the plans before the concrete arrives. Once the slab is poured, there's no turning back. Oh, over there is the kitchen island, and over there is the primary shower, and behind me the laundry's room. But today, you're just seeing a bunch of PVC pipe. A few months, hopefully you'll see the floors, cabinets, and maybe even furniture. But none of those beautiful finishes matter if today's work isn't done correctly. That's why we believe quality begins underneath the surface. At Serenity Properties, we enjoy showing every step of the journey, not just the glamorous parts, but the critical ones, the ones that make a house last. From Plumbum to PVC to the skilled craftsmen at Plumaholics. Today's progress may disappear beneath the concrete, but it's laying the groundwork for decades of dependable living. We'll see you on the next milestone.